Hello, Scrapbookers. I am Megan and I am back today with a fun video for you. So I am joining in the ladies that are doing the Let's Get Organized hop this year. I'm a little bit late, but I'm super excited to join them. So this is my first video that I will be hopping along with them. Don't mind the mess back here. I even just did a video and like cleaned up my whole room and now it's like messy again. It stays like clean for 2 seconds, right? Oh dear. Okay, so today we are going to be sharing our carts, our craft carts. So I actually have 2 different types of craft carts, and one of them holds supplies and the other one is the brand new We Are Memory Keepers project cart. And my husband actually got me that one for my birthday this year, which I was super excited about because I need spaces to plan and also to put projects when I'm done with them, but I don't have time to take photos. And I hate just leaving them on my my desk because sometimes I want to create another layout, you know, in between taking photos and putting them away and things. So anyway, I'm going to turn you around and we are going to, well, I mean, Max is in here with me, so you might hear some loud breathing and stuff, but I'm going to show you my 2 different craft carts. I'm super excited. Make sure you check out all the links below. I think we have a playlist, so it might just be one link to check out for the playlist. Thank you so much and have a great day. Enjoy. Okay, so look at all this gorgeousness. This one is kind of overflowing, as you can see, with all the stuff. I think actually this one is actually not as full as it usually is because right now I am recovering from a hysterectomy, and so I do have a little bit of the supplies that usually fill up this 2nd shelf and this 3rd shelf up in my bedroom, because this is my Project Life cards cart. So all of my Project Life cards that I want to use just for anything, and then also like I think down here I have some that I've used and just not put away and stuff too. So let's start up here at the top. So I just got these little holders at Michael's, and basically what I'm doing with these is if I have anything extra on my desk after a scrappy session and I don't like want to put it away or don't know where to put it, I'll put it in these little containers. So this has some 3x4 cards and tags and things that I need to put away, some embellishments and some more tags and stuff in here. It looks like this one has like I think this is what the love holiday, Valentine's Day, oh my goodness. And then it looks like some October, which is Halloween, my goodness. And then I have some fall stuff here, just scraps, and yeah, so that's what those are, just kind of catch-alls. I need to actually cut this down and probably put it over here, but we are just going to leave it here. So then also right here I have empty, this is where I keep all of my empty Shutterfly containers or packages, just in case I find extra photos or I don't, you know, want to keep photos in one place. Then I also keep my what is this, fun foam here, and I just buy the cheapo stuff that doesn't have adhesive on either side, so I keep that there, and you can see that it has been used by Tinian. And then also I did put all of Tinian's 2022 Valentines in here because I thought maybe I would want to scrapbook those sometime. So that is what is right there. Then I'm going to turn you around maybe if I can. And this is where I keep all of my printed current photos as of right now. I used to keep them in, gosh, what are they? Those old school, like 4x6. I think they're 6x12 or something like that. Or not 6x12, 6x9 or something like that. Little photo albums. I used to keep them in there, but that was kind of annoying to have to like go through and and find everything. So I just decided to organize them by month. So here I have December 2021. And then January, February 2022. I have 2020. I think I have 2020 all printed. Let's see, this is July, August. Oh, so I only have to August, and then I have some 2019, and then I think I have 2018 back here. And then these are also like some, these are some photos from when I was a little girl. So these are old photos. Look at this old photo. This is my dad right here, and then my mom that's right next to me, and I'm in the middle. Oh my gosh, that's so old. Look at my dad's hair. It's so fro. He used to keep his hair fro-ish, if that's even a word. Is that a word? I don't know. Okay, so then I have those, and then I also have like random prints here. So I have like random months and years. So like this is, I don't even know what that is. I think this one is like 2015, but I have like July and September. I don't know why. I was in a weird mood when I printed those. And then this is summer 2011. And so those are all those prints there. And then I think these are, Brennan went to summer camp, I think 2 or 3 years ago, so that's what that's from. And then this is from 2009. So these are the photos that I have left that I need to print, or not print, but that I have left to scrapbook from 2009, I think. And then I think 2009 should be done. I think these are actually 2007. I need to actually put these in frames. And then there's this one of me. So that's where I keep all of my like more current-ish photos, is up here in this. And then here on this second shelf, I'm trying not to bend a ton, but it's a little bit hard. So I just have some, what is this? Canon 4x6 photo paper that I can use. So I need to actually start using that. And here's my little baby brother, my half brother, him and his wife, when they got married, like, gosh, 3 years ago. I just have random stuff all over my scrap room. And then I have a bunch of just embellishments. I think this was in a kit, and then I just kind of stuck it in here. And that's kind of what I do. Like sometimes if I'm just like, oh my gosh, like this was a Picture My Life kit from Close to My Heart. And then let's see, here's just a bunch of loose things that I didn't really have a place for. This looks like 4x6s. So I probably needed to organize these 4x6s into one of these little containers, and I just never did. So I'm gonna try to scoot all of these forward. And we're going to put all of these in the middle. Okay, so as you can see, and they're backwards, of course. Of course I flipped you the wrong way. We'll do this side first. So I have some washi tape in this one. This is all Christmas embellishments, I believe. And then more Christmas embellishments. And then this one doesn't have, oh, it's a Christmas one too. I don't know why it doesn't have a label on it, but we'll stick it in the middle here so that I know it's Christmas. And then these are Project Life scraps. So these are scraps that are probably smaller than 4x6. Excuse me. So 4x6 or smaller, so that if I want to use them on, if I'm like looking for a filler, you know, scrap or something, I'll grab from something like that. Okay, then these ones are all 3x4 Project Life cards, it looks like. So these are ones that this one looks like one that I made myself, and then it's mixed in. They're not like color coded or anything like that. I just kind of put them all in, and they might be together with a collection. So they might all be from like the same collection, but probably not. Like they're just all kind of mixed together. And then this one is 4x4s or bigger. So I do have a lot of 4x4s. I don't use them a lot though. And then let's see, this is going to be hard because I'm not supposed to be like bending down. I also have these 3x4 cards that I haven't used yet. And then a bunch of embellishments. and then more cards that need to be organized, and then more of these cards. So yeah, that is usually more full. I have a bunch of the 4x6 ones upstairs, and then a couple of the 3x4 ones upstairs as well right now. So that's why that one isn't full. Okay, so down here you can see I have a Scrap Gals. Excuse me, my goodness, I'm so sorry. I have a Scrap Gals one. This is all stuff that I got when I went to the Scrap Gals retreat back in, gosh, I want to say 2017, I think. So that one's down there. And then these are just little containers. Like I said, I didn't have enough of these to put 3x4s in, and so I kind of just organized them on my desk. And then when I made this cart, I just stuck them in here on the bottom. Here's some 4x6s too. A couple CDs that have photos on them. And let's actually turn you around this way and see what else we have. So I have some bits and pieces from Simple Stories for the Best Year Ever, which I never really used it. And then I have, oh, more Christmas stuff. I think a lot of this stuff down here is actually Christmas stuff. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I did organize all of it away. So this looks like Paige Evans. So I've got some Paige Evans stuff here. And then some ribbon, more Paige Evans, and then more just needs to be organized stuff. So that is my scrappy cart number 1. I've had this for, gosh, a few years. I don't quite remember when I did it, but I think it was probably 2020, actually, when I got this cart. Maybe 2019. Anyway, so then here is my second cart. And this one I just barely got, like I said, for my birthday back in April. And this one is super fun because I have room to start planning my layouts and my projects. So that's kind of what I did this past week, was I went through and figured out what layouts I want to create and all of that. So this top one is actually a Patreon cart. I am going to be doing some mixed media, as you can see. So I have my little journal here, a stencil under here, and then a bunch of sprays. I wanted to play with sprays, and I've gotten a couple new ones that I wanted to try out. So these 4 sprays are all new, and so I wanted to try them out for my patrons. This cart is actually, I am posting a layout in Sarah's group, Sarah Scraps's group. What is it called? Oh my gosh, Rediscover Your Stash. Holy cow, that was way too hard. And I'm doing a challenge for it, and so this is what I am using. I have the collection here with the embellishments, and then also the photos that I'm gonna use. So, whoops, I think something just fell off. Oh, and then also, this is something new that I've been doing too, is I have started to decide to print out like Pinterest pages or sketches and have them available for when I scrapbook, so then I'll just be ready to go. So if I have something planned out, it's going to be on here, and it's going to have a page with it, as well as photos and the collection. So this one is another, this one's going to be a new video challenge for me personally. I am starting a new series on my channel, so you'll just have to wait to hear about that. I don't have a collection picked out yet. I think it's actually upstairs, and I've been scrapbooking with it upstairs. So I am going to hopefully bring that down here soon. But these are the photos that I'm going to use with that. And then let's see if I can scoot this forward. So there's 6 layers here. So this one is a photo of Jonas, and I'm pretty sure I have a project sheet for that one. I can't reach it though. Then this one down here is a sketch challenge for me, and this one down here is another one for my new series, and I have photos on that one too. You just can't see it, and sorry, I can't bend over. I'm not gonna force myself to show you guys. So I just thought I would show you guys my new, well, my carts, my scrappy carts. So that is what they look like. Super fun and exciting for me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you check all the links below. I am actually still selling close to my heart, and if you are able to, I would really appreciate it if you could go make a purchase on my website, because I only have like, I think a week left to sell like 150 products or $150 in products. So if you have any extra money, I would appreciate it if you could help me out, and yeah, go buy something at close to my heart. My link is below, and I will leave a link to both of these carts. This one I think I got at Michael's, and this one I think my husband got at Joann's on sale. So I will leave links below. Have a great Sunday. Bye.